Good evening and welcome to Mad TV. I'm Howard Stern. Thank you. And let me just say, it's an honor and a pleasure for me to introduce here a woman who is both beautiful and talented. Put your hands together. Help me welcome Halle Berry. Say, I know you're so used to all these Hollywood types kissing your ass, but,
come on, Howard, cut it. I know you're gonna tell me that you wanna go get a room, get a few strippers, do me. Get into a little bit of lesbian action, I know. And then when I tell you, okay, you're gonna start talking about your wife and your kids and start whining about how terrible you'd feel.
Hey,
come on, Howard. You and I both know you're the biggest phony of them all.
Hey! Come on! Am I really that predictable?
Yeah.
Okay, what if I told you this time I really mean it?
I wouldn't believe you.
I'm dead serious. I'm saying, for you, Halle Berry, I would cheat on my wife.
Seriously, for me, Howard, you would cheat on your wife?
Oh. On the lives of my children, I would absolutely cheat on my wife for you. No doubt about it. I'm getting hot right now.
Howard. You would betray your wedding vows for moi?
In a second. For you, baby, anything. Anything.
Oh, you scumbag! Anyway, everybody, it's gonna be a lot of fun, and we're off to a great start. So enjoy the show.